Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand another topic which we have lived in between in previous videos. So now we will start one address instruction. One address instruction use an implied AC register for data manipulation. We considered AC contains the result of all operation. For example, x equals to a plus b into c plus d is, first we need to load a, after that we need to add b. In one address instruction, all the results will be stored in the accumulator. After that we need to store the t, then load c. After that we will do is adding, multiplication, and after that we will store. All operations are done between the AC register and memory operand. The T is the address temporary location required to store intermediate result. Now we will understand RISC or instruction, a program of RISC type CPU of load and store instruction that have one memory, one register, and three address, where x equals to a into b and c plus d. So now that we will do is we need to write here also registered and operand. In that, first we have loaded the memory address in R1 b. First we will need to, first in this what we will need to is need to consider all the variables and first load their memory address. After that we will perform turn by turn operation. First we will add R1 and R2 and we will are storing the result in R1. So after then R3 plus R2, in that we are storing the result in R3. After that we are multiplying R1 and R3 and storing the result in R1. After that we are storing the result of R1 into in the memory address of X. So like that we need to first load all the operand. After that we will perform one by one operations and store the result into another variable. So in RISC, load instruction transfer the operands from the memory to CPU. The result is stored in the memory with store instruction. So that's for today's video. We will meet in next video, and thank you for watching. Keep believing in yourself.